Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Node.js in your PC. So what you have to do, you have to actually download Node.js at first. So let's go to the browser and go for nodejs, and then here you can see nodejs.org. Now you can click here download, and then it will directly take you to the download page. From here we're going to select the version, which one actually you want to go with. I always suggest my audience to go with LTS, I mean long time support version, and the latest version also. So the latest version, which will contain LTS, you should go with this one, and then scroll a little bit down, you will find .msi. Here you can see download this. If you are from Mac, there will be automatically Mac selected, and then you have to actually go with .pkg. Okay, so you have to click here, then it will start downloading. I already download this in my PC, and now I'm going to show you how you can install it. So here you can see Node.js. Now I will double click on the file, and then I will say next, then I will check it, next. I'll select the drive where actually I want to install it. I have only one drive, C drive, so I'm going to OK with it. And in your case, if you want to install it in different drive like D drive, you can actually click here change and select the drive, then go for the next, then next. Then I will not check it, so uncheck it. Okay, go for the next, install. Here we go, we have successfully installed it. Now we can click here finish, and then we will go for the command prompt cmd, then open it, and then say here node --version, and here you can see we got here Node.js version. It means we have successfully installed it. I hope you understand. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.